Welcome students to class 8th. Today we will start with our first chapter of determiners. I had already explained you about the chapter. So let's go through the exercise part. We'll start with A. Underline the determiners in the following passage. So first I will read, then I will show you the answers. What kind of a pencil do you use? Do you use a pencil made of wood? Have you wondered why some pencils have 6 sides and some pencils are rounded? Most pencils are made of wood. They can make more 6-sided pencils out of one piece of wood than rounded pencils. It is convenient for the users as well. The chances of a 6-sided pencil rolling off a desk or a table are less. So, such pencils break less as compared to rounded ones. This way, most 6-sided pencil scores over the rounded one. So, what are the determiners here? Look at the paragraph. Have you wondered why some pencils have 6 sides? So sum is here a determiner. It is determining pencils, quantity of a pencil, that some pencils have 6 sides and some pencils are rounded, and again in the same sentence some pencils are rounded, so sum is a determiner. Then in the next you can see most pencils are made of wood, then again most is a determiner. They can make more 6-sided pencil, again more, then out of one piece of wood than round pencil, so again one is a determiner. Okay, then it is convenient for the user as well, again here the is a determiner. Okay, which determiner is the? It is a article. Then the chances of a 6-sided pencils rolling off a desk or a table are less, again the is a determiner. Then so such pencils break less as compared to round ones, so again such is here a determiner. Such is which it is covered under which? Such. Okay, it is a general determiner. Then this way most 6-sided pencils score over the round ones. Again most is a quantitative. Okay, it is a quantifier. Then second we will start with the practice. A. Read the short paragraph. Fill in the blanks with a, n and the. Means we have to use the articles. Renu and Rama are in a beautiful city in Karnataka. The city is called Shimoga. They plan to take a taxi from the city to visit the York Falls. On this way, they spend an afternoon at a place called Chiaveru Copa. Their tour guide tells them it is an ideal place for a safari through the forest. We can spot any lions, tigers, cheetahs, black bucks, etc. My brother is an official with the forest department there. He has arranged for a official to be with you always to make sure you are safe. So it is very easy. Let me explain you. For example, what I have taught you, that A is used with consonants and N is used with vowels, and the term the definite article is used for giving or identifying some specific. Okay, so A is used with consonants. Is it clear? Now next B is fill in the blanks with the correct alternatives. You have to use the correct alternatives. What is the first one? We belongs to this village. This is our ancestral home. Okay, We are talking about all, not any single person. So we have to use our. Then second, Sonia is in the USA. I ran into her brother at the market yesterday, he told me. So here we have to use his because here we have to use her because we are talking about a girl. So for this we have to use her. Then third, who is that young man? He is your assistant, I presume. So the man is saying that he is yours assistant. Next, I don't know where Sharon and Jacob live. Let's ask Kishore. He knows your address. Okay, in this we will be using your address. I lost my pet dog, Fluffy. Have you seen it? It has a scare on its left ear. So in this, person is saying, I lost my pet dog. He is asking for the dog he lost. Complete the dialogues with this, that, these or those. These are demonstrative determiners. You have to use in this demonstrative determiners. So what is the first one? Renu. Wow, this is a lovely forest. So in this, what is the correct determiner? This. Second, Ramya. Yes, enjoy the view. Look at that tree there. They are talking about a tree which is far from them. So they are saying that tree. Renu. Wow, there are some monkeys on it. I have not seen monkeys like these before. They are talking about a monkeys. So they have used these monkey. Okay. I have not seen monkeys like this before. Then next, those monkeys are called lion-tailed macaws. They are an endangered species. They are found only in the forest of the Western Ghats. Then next, fill in the blanks with each, every, either or neither. What are these? These are distributive determiners. These are distributive determiners. So, what is the first one? There are 2 AC buses from the airport to the city center every hour. They are talking about hour. So, which is the correct distributive determiner here? It is every hour. You can take either bus, but remember neither of them will be on time. So in the first they are saying you can take either means any of the bus, but remember neither of them will be on time. That means both will be not on time. They are always late. Student, just read the sentence carefully, then you can answer it correctly. Second is, in this hotel every floor has its own terrace garden. They are talking that in hotel on every floor there is its own terrace garden. The banisters on each side of the staircase to the hall are elaborately decorated. Okay, the next. A popular comedy is staged during each festive season. A popular comedy is staged during each festive season in this auditorium. We can attend the play by inviting only. Every seat in the auditorium will be reserved for guests. This is the right answer. Next, this play has 5 acts and each of this act has 4 scenes. The audience will enjoy every minute of it. Every actor has to wear a mask. It adds to the fun. I have seen this play 3 times and each time it was houseful. Last time a journalist quoted every word of one of the hero soliloquies. So just read the sentence and put the correct determiner. Next is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options from the one given below. Students, in this we will be understanding about quantifiers. Okay, some, any. That means quantifiers can be countable and uncountable, and it can be both. You can see in your exercise E, there is also given a box. Just read it and you can solve it very easily. What is the first? I spent the whole of last summer trying to fix my dad's old car. Second, I think there is enough food for all a guest. Third, this bakery is very popular. Most of the cakes are sold by lunchtime. Fourth, all of our questions about the mystery were answered at the end of the play. And the next, there was a good deal of moisture in the room. It is very easy. The next, fill in the blanks with appropriate question words. Yeah, in this you have to put the question words. We can say in other words, interrogative determiners. Okay. What are the answers? Which party won the Indian parliamentary elections in 1989? Second, how many baskets of mangoes did you collect from the grove? Third, which filling do you want in your sandwich? Fourth, whose bag is that pink one? Fifth, how much milk do you drink a day? And the last, which country does the tennis star Roger Federer play for? The next is the extension part, in which read the dialogue. Tarun is travelling by train to Mumbai. He is talking to a fellow traveller, Ranjit, using suitable determiners and fill in the blanks. In this you have to use determiners. In the whole chapter we have to put the determiners, but in this there is a combination of all the kinds. So Ranjit. Ranjit, is this your first visit to the city? Second, what Tarun is saying? No, it is my second trip. I was here several years ago. Then what Ranjit is saying? Do you like the city? What is the answer given by Tarun? It's alright for a short visit, but I wouldn't want to live here. I don't like big cities. What did Ranjit replied? I think you are right. Life in a big city is always hard. What did Tarun said? My cousin says the same thing. He have been living in this city for a long time now. Ranjit, in which part of the city does your cousin live? What did the answer Tarun gave? He lives near the Central Railway Station. In this part, we will be solving fill in the blanks with some or any. So, some or any are which type of determiner? They are the quantifiers, okay? So, Renu, do you have any money on you, Ramya? So, these are the answers for some and any. Students, some boxes are also given. Just go through them. It is very easy. You can understand it just by reading. So, with this our first unit of grammar is completed. Just go through the notes and try to solve first by yourself. Then see the answers if you didn't get any of them.